We're going to continue to run. We're going to take a couple of 5-minute breaks, but for the most part, we're going to keep the conversation going because we want to pack as much information into this session. And then we also want to make sure that we are setting the expectations up front, which is the purpose of this is to expose the moving parts of making financial decisions or planning. We also want to connect the moving parts. There's a lot of complexity. We want to simplify the complexity. And we also want to make sure that we also address not just the numbers, but the communication that is required for successful money management or money decisions. And we also want to address the emotion. And one thing we're going to get into is an aspect that I think is missing, which is money value. So the idea is to expose, we're going to educate, we're going to enhance communication, and at the end of the day, you should walk out with a lot of solid foundation that if you want, you can go ahead and move forward in a manner that we think is going to be effective. Some of you are going to, we're going to see some gaps on what you have, and you're going to want additional resources. We're going to highlight those. And some of you are saying, hey, we'd like to move forward in a relationship, and that's fine too. But make no mistake about it, this is not a sale of our services outside of this workshop. This is basically helping you build a better foundation for better conversations. So with that,